What's going on, guys? So y'all been following the channel, y'all know I just got that Blue Point flex head ratcheting wrench that I was trying to do a mock-up of a Nano wrench, but along with that, got a few good tips on the comments. I really appreciated that, so we're gonna show and see what I've modified to this wrench to make it better. So y'all stay tuned. Hey, what's going on, everybody? So, y'all remember I made a video the other day about this Blue Point flex head ratcheting wrench that I was going to use for these Nano sockets. Now, these are from Sunex. These aren't the Astro ones. If you haven't checked out that video yet, check it out now, so that way y'all can get caught up. Now, so we'll start with the first part. Now, there was no way to retain the socket initially in the first video, but one of the commenters had mentioned using these metal socket clips from these rails. So if you have a wrench already and you don't want to buy the Nano or Nano wrench or whatever, just take one of these socket clips, place it in there, and now it holds it in, and it still retains a lower, pretty low profile overall. So good option there. And basically you have to pretty much pull it out. Now I did try gluing this on there to see if it would hold some JB Weld glue, and it definitely didn't, but still no problem. So if I'm just using that size, now obviously if I have to switch size, I have to put that clip back in there. So, but again, if you still have a ratcheting wrench, a 17 mil in particular, you can go that route. Now I know the 1/2 inch drive stubbies, they take a 22 millimeter wrench, so I didn't see anything out there for the 1/2 inch drive yet. So now I'm in the market looking for one of something like this, but haven't found anything yet. So if you noticed, I've taken off the soft grip handle. This Blue Point one. I wasn't a big fan of the blue. I'm still going to keep it, but I wanted to test something out. So I picked up a snap-on one. I just like the ergonomics of the snap-on handle. The Blue Point one is kind of similar in terms of the shape, but if you notice, just some slight differences. It's more rounded right here. It just fits in that palm a little bit better. So the holes on them are a little bit different. So you get so the initial hole of this Blue Point one is at 1/2 inch, and the snap-on entry one is only right now at 0.4. So got a 1/2 inch drive drill bit. We're going to drill into it. Okay, so the overall depth, it goes up about 1.5 inches from where it enters the smaller portion right here. So we're going to drill up to about 1.5 down into here. And see how it goes from there. So I'm going to wrap a towel around this new ratchet handle. Alright, so let's redo some of these measurements. Okay, so for the outside part shank here, you were looking at about 0.6, 0.595, and then on this bottom portion of the shank, you're looking at 0.54. Okay. So that means the entry needs at least to be 0.6. With the 1/2 inch drill bit, we're still at right now at 1/2 inch. So I think that looks pretty nice. What do you guys think? Let's get this socket on there. Where's my other clip? I've made a mess over here and I can't find it, so I'll just pull another clip off. So again, got the clip on there, socket doesn't fall off. Got the new snap-on titanium handle on here. So it's good in my books.